Hello. This video shows how to measure an optical spectrum with an optical spectrum analyzer. You will learn two methods. Auto measurement automatically sets suitable conditions for the light source. Manual measurement lets you set the conditions yourself. To save data or change traces, see the next video. Before starting, ensure the optical spectrum analyzer is ready. For installation and alignment, see the previous video. Before measuring, always calibrate the wavelength and adjust the alignment. Clean the end faces of the optical fiber cable before use. Then connect the device under test to the analyzer with the optical fiber cable. Connect the cable to the optical input connector on the left. To avoid damage, do not exceed the maximum safe input power. The EQ6370 series directly supports both PC and angled PC connectors. The OSA supports both single and multi-mode fibers. This example uses a single longitudinal mode laser operating at 1550 nanometers. First, use auto measurement for a simple measurement. After connecting the fiber cable, press the auto button to start. Auto measurement automatically sets the main measurement conditions. When setup is complete, the sweep mode changes to repeat sweep. To stop the measurement, press the stop button. You can zoom in, zoom out, and move the measured waveform using the touchscreen. It also analyzes parameters such as FWHM and side mode suppression ratio. Next, look at manual measurement. In manual measurement, set the conditions before measuring. These include wavelength range, resolution, sensitivity, and averaging count. First, set the horizontal scale. In this example, set the horizontal scale to wavelength. Press the Setup button in the Function section. Tap Horizontal Scale and select Nanometer. The display unit is now set to wavelength. You can set the wavelength range with center wavelength and span, or by directly entering the start wavelength and stop wavelength. To use center wavelength, press the center button and enter the value. Then press the span button and enter the wavelength span. To set the wavelength range using the start and stop wavelengths, enter the values with the start and stop buttons. Next, set the vertical scale. Select either log scale or linear scale. Press the level button, then tap log scale or linear scale in the soft key menu. In this example, select the log scale for display. Enter the desired value to change the range per division. Set the reference level for the log scale from the soft key menu. Set the wavelength resolution with the resolution button. In this example, select 0.05 nanometers. Higher resolution helps separate closely spaced spectral components. Lower resolution makes weak broadband signals easier to detect. Set the measurement sensitivity with the sensitivity button. Each sensitivity mode shows the lower measurement limit. Use this value as a guide when selecting the sensitivity setting. A lower limit value means higher sensitivity. However, higher sensitivity requires a longer measurement time. Select the sensitivity that fits your application. In this example, set the sensitivity to mid. Now let's perform a measurement. There are two sweep modes. Single sweep measures once. Repeat sweeps measures continuously. For single sweep, press the single button. To perform a repeat sweep, press the repeat button. In this example, perform a single sweep. The measurement runs once and then stops. You can check the measurement conditions on the screen. Review the measured optical spectrum. If necessary, adjust the measurement conditions and measure again. Please note that auto measurement resets all manual settings. This concludes the video. If you have any questions about operating your OSA or the product specifications, please contact us.